I reversed insulin resistance in 30 days. 5 simple hacks that actually work. The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Before we get started, make sure you stay with me all the way to the end. I've got an exclusive free gift waiting for you that can seriously level up your results. With that said, let's jump right in. What if I told you that one tiny change to when you eat your meals could drop your blood sugar by nearly 40%? No medication, no extreme diet, just one simple shift. That sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Sarah thought the same thing, until it actually worked for her. Sarah is a 42-year-old teacher from Ohio. She had been tired for years. Not just regular tired. The kind of tired where you wake up after 8 hours of sleep and still feel like you got no rest. She was gaining weight around her belly even though she was eating what she thought was healthy food. Her doctor told her she had insulin resistance, and if she did not make some serious changes fast, she was headed straight toward type 2 diabetes. Sarah cried in the parking lot after that appointment. She had 2 kids, a full-time job, and 0 time to overhaul her entire life. She did not want to take pills. She did not want to live at the gym. She just wanted to feel normal again. And here is the thing. She found a way. In just 30 days, Sarah reversed her insulin resistance using 5 incredibly simple hacks that are backed by real science. No crazy supplements. No fad diets. Just 5 small changes that completely transformed her health. And today, I am going to share every single one of them with you. So if you are tired of feeling sluggish, and your doctor has mentioned blood sugar concerns, or if you just want to protect your future health, you are exactly where you need to be. Stay with me because these 5 hacks could genuinely change your life. Hack number 1 is meal timing. Sarah used to eat dinner at 8 p.m., sometimes even 9 p.m. after putting the kids to bed. She would snack late at night while watching TV. And then she would skip breakfast because she was not hungry in the morning. Sound familiar? That pattern was quietly wrecking her blood sugar every single day. Here is the science. Your body has an internal clock called your circadian rhythm. Your cells are most sensitive to insulin in the morning and less sensitive at night. That means the exact same meal causes a much bigger blood sugar spike at 8 p.m. than it does at noon. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism found that people who ate all their meals within a 10-hour window, without changing what they ate, improved their insulin sensitivity significantly. Sarah switched to eating her first meal at 8 a.m. and finishing dinner by 6 p.m. That was it. No starving. No skipping meals. Just tightening the window. Within 2 weeks, her energy levels started climbing. Within 30 days, her fasting blood sugar had dropped noticeably. The simple act of respecting her body clock made a massive difference. Hack number 2 is food sequencing. This one blew Sarah's mind because it did not require her to give up anything she loved. She just had to change the order she ate things on her plate. Research from Weill Cornell Medical College showed that eating vegetables and protein before carbohydrates can lower blood sugar spikes by up to 37% compared to eating the carbs first. Think about that. Same foods. Same portions. Just a different order. Sarah started every meal by eating her salad or vegetables first. Then she ate her protein like chicken or eggs. Then, and only then, did she eat her bread, rice, or pasta. This simple change meant her body absorbed the carbohydrates much more slowly. The fiber and protein created a kind of protective barrier that slowed the sugar rush into her bloodstream. She said it felt like cheating because nothing was off limits. She just ate her broccoli before her pasta instead of mixing everything together. And her blood sugar readings after meals became so much steadier. Hack number 3 is walking after meals. Here's the part where Sarah almost laughed because the solution seemed too simple. After dinner, instead of sitting down on the couch, she started taking a 10-minute walk around the block with her dog. That is all. Just 10 minutes. A study in the journal Sports Medicine found that a short walk after eating reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes by about 17% compared to sitting still. Your muscles act like sponges when you move. They soak up glucose from your blood and use it as fuel. This gives your insulin a much easier job to do. Sarah did not need a gym. She did not need special shoes. She just needed to move her body a little bit after every meal. She started doing this after lunch and dinner. After 1 week, she noticed she was not getting that heavy, foggy feeling in the afternoon anymore. The after-meal energy crashes that had been ruining her afternoons simply faded away. Before we get to hacks 4 and 5, which are honestly the most powerful ones on this list, I want to pause and ask you something. If you are finding this helpful, please hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this information reach more people who need it. And if you want more real, science-backed health content like this, subscribe to the channel. We post new videos every week. Okay, back to Sarah. Hack number 4 is resistance training. Now before you click away, hear me out. Resistance training does not mean lifting heavy barbells 6 days a week. Sarah started with just 2 short sessions per week using light dumbbells at home. Each session was about 20 minutes. Here is why this matters so much. Muscle tissue is the largest consumer of blood sugar in your body. When you build even a small amount of muscle, you create more space for glucose to go. Research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning, research confirmed that just 2 resistance training sessions per week significantly improved insulin sensitivity in people with prediabetes. Sarah did basic exercises: squats using her body weight, wall push-ups, resistance band rows. Nothing fancy. But within 3 weeks, she noticed something remarkable. Her morning blood sugar readings, the ones her doctor used to track her progress, were starting to fall into the normal range for the first time in years. Muscle is literally medicine. And the best part is that you do not need much of it to start seeing real results. Hack number 5 is sleep optimization. This was the one that surprised Sarah the most. She thought sleep was just about being rested. She had no idea it was secretly controlling her blood sugar. Research from the University of Chicago showed that just 3 nights of poor sleep can reduce insulin sensitivity by up to 25%. Think about that. 3 bad nights and your body suddenly handles sugar 25% worse. Sarah was sleeping in a warm room with her phone next to her bed, scrolling until midnight. She was waking up multiple times because the room was too bright. Small fixes, but they were causing massive hormonal chaos. She made 3 simple changes. She set her bedroom temperature to around 67 degrees. She put her phone in the kitchen to charge at night. And she tried to be in bed by 10 p.m. to get at least 7 hours. Within 1 week of sleeping better, her cravings for sugar and carbs dropped dramatically. And her insulin response improved right alongside her sleep quality. Now let me tell you how this story ends for Sarah. After 30 days of applying these 5 hacks, she went back to her doctor for a follow-up. Her fasting blood sugar had dropped from the prediabetes range down into the healthy range. Her doctor was genuinely shocked. Sarah had not taken a single medication. She had simply changed when she ate, how she ordered her food, moved a little after meals, done some light strength training, and fixed her sleep. She told me that the most powerful part was realizing that her body had always wanted to heal. It just needed the right conditions to do it. And that is the truth for you too. Your body is not broken. It is not working against you. It is responding to the signals you send it every single day. Change those signals, even just a little, and your body will respond. Start with just one of these 5 hacks this week. Just one. Maybe it is a 10-minute walk after dinner tonight. Maybe it is eating your vegetables before your pasta at your next meal. Small steps taken consistently are what actually change lives. You have got this. And if Sarah can do it, so can you. Ready to accelerate your results? Go to the description below to watch your next must-watch video, or just click the arrow here on your screen now. This will skyrocket your results and kickstart your journey. Watch it now so you don't miss out. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also, grab your copy of my free keto ebook in the description and join our health community for more health-boosting tips. Thank you for watching. Your support means everything.